the first full day here in Taiwan. Medyo late kami nagising. Hindi tumunog yung alarm ni Mark. So, it's already 10:24. We're heading out to buy brunch. Yay! So, pagbaba namin ng hotel, meron agad parang mga mamihan. Mami stations. Pero we're gonna go to the convenience store kasi doon mas maraming maulan ngayon. Dito yung loob ng High Life, guys. We're looking kung ano pwede makain for breakfast. They have, I'm probably gonna have a banana. Then, ito yung mga pagkain dito. Ano to? Lugaw ba to? Not sure. Noodles. Ayan. All sorts of dried stuff. Dried food. Ayan, may water. We also have chips. There. We have an ATM machine. Tapos dito yung, what are these? Ice cream? Ice cream and shakes. And ice. Cool. Oh my gosh, guys. They have essence of chicken. We used to drink this before. Colors! Then may mga vitamin C drinks sila. Ito rin yung brand nung saan Japan, no? Lemon C 1000. Cool. Okay, lumabas kami. We're probably gonna eat somewhere na parang restaurant na lang. May mga fruits dito, oh. We ended up here sa may noodle place katabi lang ng 9 Hotel. Wala lang. So, magkalaman yung dyan namin. Kasi medyo sa atin dyan. We ordered noodles with soup. Yun lang. With vegetables and meat. This is what our brunch looks like. We're gonna eat later pa rin. Mahal chopsticks. Let's try it! Ang cute ng chopsticks nila, mataba. Ooh! Gooey! Great. Mukhang masarap. Wala palang meat at all. Mushroom lang. Of course, Chinese spoons. Ayun, go. Crossing the street. My dog sa motor kanina. So cute. Yeah, so we're walking to the MRT station now. Ba't walang tao sa train? Nasa passageway kami. O, di mo may flicker pa ng lights. Para intense. Zombie. Saan kami MRT? Nakabili na kami ng Taipei Metro 3-day pass. So, ito yung bus. Ano lang to? Train lang, walang bus. Ayan. Okay. So, paglabas pala doon, kailangan bababa kami. Umikot-ikot kami, girl. My gosh. Okay. Let's go.
2月台列车往南市角 Platform 2南市角
My gosh, guys. Punta kami ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. We ended up inside a university na merong Memorial Hall.
Taipei Tech.
Taipei Tech. And, umuulan na. Nakakaloka. Pagod na ako. Sobrang pawis na ako, girl. Cannot.
Mainit na ulo na kanina pa.
Ito, tama na, guys. Tama na ba, mahal?
Yung kaninang pass pala, may gondola. Yung pala yung cable car, gondola.
Finally, tama na.
One stop.
One stop lang?
Yep.
Okay, finally, we're here. Just have to find the exit. Ito, mahalo, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Exit 5. Nanmen.
Where?
Nanmen. Mark's vlogging.
Hi.
I'm hungry. Yan naman. We're here! Oh my gosh! Ganda! Ganda! Cool! Hassle yung ulan. Ayan, akit kami dun, guys. May paloob siya sa loob eh. Paloob sa loob. So, akyat and then pasok sa loob. Let's go up. I'm so looking forward to lunch. We're at the top. Pasok tayo sa loob. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Pwede picture.
Wow, yeah. So that's the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall ba? Mahal? Here in Taipei! Super init, super humid. Anyway, time for lunch. We're gonna go to Din Tai Fung. We're gonna Google na lang kung saan ang pinakamalapit. Hey babies!
Mahal.
Hi.
Can I borrow that? Pipicture ako to.
Hi! Daming pigeon, tas ang daming fish. Tilapia ba yan, mahal?
Hindi, koi.
Oh, hindi. May kasama silang black,
Oo
oh.
nga, no? May tilapia.
Tilapia, no?
Oo.
Hala, tilapia nga. Wow. There's a turtle! Ang daming ano. Alay, mapakain sila. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Hey, cute.
Okay na.
Memorial Hall.
Doon kami galing, di ba?
Okay, galing.
Yeah. Ang init. Go, enjoy. Ang galing. Sobrang coincidence, di ba? Hindi pa.
Masaya na siya.
Kasi kakain na to. We found this little photo booth station sa Tongman Station. Cute! So, 100, ano siya? Taiwan dollars. Xiaolong bao. Okay. Please go ahead.
Please make your nose to stand by pose. We are going to take photos. 3, 2, 1.
Ito, ayaw mo, dulo.
Mukha mo.
Okay lang, maganda ka dyan.
Ito, hindi ako maganda dito?
Maganda rin, pero ito maganda rin. Para masaya. Para ibang pose naman.
Sige.
Please choose a photo to upload.
Format, mahal. Dalawa para tayong dalawa. No? Yay! Ha! Cute! Click mo nga, mahal. Picture. Ang cute! Yung mukha mo, mahal. Sakto kasi kakain tayo ng Xiaolong Pao. I love Taipei Metro Dongmen. Cute. So it's just a little photo booth. Okay, click again. Oh, we found Cosmed. Okay, pero hindi muna ako bibili today. We'll see. Sobrang taas ng stairs. Nalala ko yung Japan. Pagod. But this time, wala kami din ng luggage. We're gonna go look for Din Tai Fung. Okay. There's a net store here. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. We can actually see Taipei 101 over there. We're gonna find the food muna. What is this? Mahal milk tea? 10 runs tea?
Oo, double.
Tien Run.
Matcha.
Tien Run's tea.
Mamaya.
Cool. Oh, there's fried chicken. Mahal. Oh, it's a drugstore. Homod nga daw, mahal. Homod. Tinatawanan ni Mark yung homod.
Ano niya ito yun?
Ewan ko, para siyang ano. Oh, what's this? Fried chicken. PKK fried chicken. Oh, that looks good. What's that?
Butter crispy.
Oh, cool.
And we have pineapple cake.
Ah, nice. Oh, it's gutadema?
Gudetama.
So I think Sun Mary is like a popular bakery here. Mahal, ang daming bread. Where's the typhoon? Where? Lorenzo. Oh, I like this little streets. Okay, so here's Din Tai Fung, guys. Okay lang, lapit tayo dun. May line. Look at this line. Ang dami nilang iba, guys. So, meron din silang... Ang daming iba, no? Nawala sa Philippines. That's cool. That's so cool. Yeah. Lapit na kami, 1119. Si Annabelle, girl. Third floor daw. Sa third floor pa kami. One more. Hello, Pang's here.
拿放这里，
Yeah.
谢谢，真的享用哦，谢谢。
Yum.
Ooh. Original Xiaolong Pao.
Let's see kung iba yung ano.
Lasa.
Begin. Parang mas malaki ka.
Sino?
We
ordered brown rice with pork chop. Yum! Sarap, no? Sino ba order natin? So, of course, we got our flight pack here sa... we brought our flight pack to Taiwan. Look at that, guys. 2 o'clock na. One super duper konti pa lang nababawas. Super bongga. I love this. So, we got like 2 different flight packs with us. So, ito yung... It can double up as a power bank. Then, meron kami yung isa pa. This one naman na talagang ano lang siya. For internet lang siya. Cool! So, you have the option to book kung ano yung gusto nyo. Pero for me, bongga to kasi nga, power bank din siya. Galing, no?
Thank you.
Love it. We ordered the chocolate Xiaolong Paos for dessert. Oh my gosh! Mukhang sobrang sarap. Woohoo! Sarap. And so, 3 floors yata yung Din Tai Fung. Lumabas na yung araw! Yay! Akala ko kayang lakarin yung Taipei 101 since we can already see it. Pero hindi pala. Kailangan pa mag-train muna. Ito. Sa mga taxis na dito. Look at that. Giordano. We're going back to Dongmen or Tongmen Station. We're going to Xiangshan. Xiangshan means Elephant Mountain. Taan. Taan. Palit na ng train sa buong bahay. Taan. We're going to Taipei 101 next. Yay! May Din Tai Fung din. Ay, nako girl. They have Din Tai Fung here. Mas malaki pa. Wow! Ano ba yun? Yeah. Damn. Din Tai Fung. This is Taipei 101. Oh my gosh. Chemtrails. Chemtrails. Ang taas. Grabe. We might go up. We'll see. May mall sa loob ng Taipei 101. Tama ba? Sini Circle. Okay. Let's see. Sobrang laki ng Apple Store dito. Grabe. Look at that. What is this? It's a bean. Anong bean? Oh, Infinite Life. Steel cable. There's another like parang mall. Itong part na to. May Gap, Bershka, Pull&Bear. Madami. May McDonald's pa doon. But we're gonna go to the Sini. Ano yung mahal? Sini ano? Sini...
Shopping district.
Shopping district. Zara Home. Oh my gosh. Forever 21. They have it here. Tama ba? So, lahat to, mall. Lahat yan. Cool. Ayun, mahal na Forever 21.
Oo nga, meron yan. Mamaya, ito na tayo.
ride the bike. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano siya i-rent. Ang alam ko, I'm not sure, pero parang dyan kayo magbabayad. Tama ba? So they have like the U-bikes there. Ang cute, no? But I don't have an idea kung paano. Here you go. Oh, you can return the bike. And the card, something. Cool. There's a Sanrio shop. Cute. Doon, hindi naman ako masyadong fan ng Sanrio. Ang dami namin nakikita ang mga aso kasama sa motorsiklo. Ang cute. Nakasakay rin sila.
Okay.
So cute!
Baka hindi raw pala sure kung may night market pag Monday.
Monday?
Monday?
Pag Monday? Ano yung Monday? Ganyan kataas. Ilang floors to?
90.
Dang. Rally yata. Ha? We made it here sa Songshan. We're gonna go to Wufanpu's clothing district. Come on.
Wait.
Guys, okay na yung weather. Even like that.
Ito na pala yung Rauha.
Dito kami galing sa MRT yung Songshan Station.
Come on.
This is cute. Ano ito eh? Wala lang. Let's go in. Can we go inside? I think so. Kasha ako eh. Cool! Meow! This is Shiba. Hello! 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 Hi, darling! Hi! Cute! Bye!
Thank you.
Cutie! Okay, so there's an entire street. So we start with Cosmed. Parang siyang Watson's and then lahat yan. Korean's clothes. As in lahat. We're gonna go. Ang cute naman nun. Cosmed. I need to find clothes. Mahal may mga bra oh. Oh, mahal na shorts for guys. Ooh, cute. Tops. Buong ito. Oh my gosh, wow. We have like this, ano yan? Meat ba yan? Chicken. Mga laman loob. Air-conditioned places daw, lahat daw mahal. So we stay away from those.
5?
What's inside?
5, yeah.
What is that?
Wait.
这是什么?
Daki na, tatanggot taon na.
Ika lang. Okay.
Ito lang?
Tama.
Buyal. Fish ball, 20 Taiwan dollars. Super daming clothes, guys. And meron din silang mga parang basement. Pero kailangan mo maghanap talaga ng bongga. They have anello. And lahat talaga ng stocks nila naka-plastic. I was able to buy a shirt dress here at Style Design. Medyo, thank you! Medyo mahal ng konti. 500, my gosh. But I like it. It's okay. It's that one, pero black. Wow, medyo nakakapagod. Ang laki-laki ng area na to. Isa pa lang nabibili ko. Hello! Cutie! Wiggly. Mostly Korean fashion pala dito. So, mostly full Korean-ish. Ayan. Dito ata ako bumili. Hindi ko na maalala saan ako bumili. I think this one, gabi na. Buses. Kasi kala ko nga diba babagyo. So lahat ng dalawang stuff Either, puro Uniqlo naman, pero puro long sleeves, ganyan. Init for sure. Init nga kanina eh. So, yun. Dinner time! After dinner, where?
Ikaw, kamusta?
I'm tired.
Pahinga. Uwi.
Oh my God. Oh, that's so cute. Come over and say hi. How cute. Hello. Aw, cutie. Hi. No. Hello. Oh. Hello. Hi. Good boy. Ang taba. Watson store right there. Woohoo. Ito yung parang ano, crossing. What do you call that?
Aso niya.
Oh, sumusunod lang sa kanya. Kanya ba yun?
Feeling ko.
Ganda ng Taipei 101, oh.
Bakit sa tayo tayo? Dito, dito?
Dito. Shibuya crossing. Not. Oh my gosh, mahal, oh. Oh, mamihan. Yummy. Uy, ang dami kainan. Like a charm store, mga charms. Okay. We're gonna start to eat. Crab. Look at that, guys. Crab. Although bawal ako niyan. What are these?
Bread. Tapos yun na dessert.
Wow! Is it, ano yan, hopya? Parang hopya, no?
Meat yung laman ng banana.
Bakit nalagay po voucher?
Ano yan?
Hindi masarap kainin.
Ha?
Ay, po voucher. That's weird. Ayun, no?
Marami laman.
Voucher daw. Let's try it.
Yeah. One. Hindi tayo.
一个多少钱？50块50 Here.
哎，你好，什么胡椒饼？
Wala pa yung laman.
Parang siopaw ba? Fried siopaw. Okay, try mo. Talaga? So yung buong area na to, guys, lahat to. Oh, iced tea. Later na lang yun, no? Mahal na. Puro
Shame.
siopaw. Yummy. Kinakamay nila, girl. Masasarap yun pag kinakamay. May mga chips. Ito, candies. Yep. Cosme. Yes.
What?
Fishies. Nice. Daming fish, grabe. Cool.
Try mulberry.
Mahal tayo mo.
Mulberry.
Mulberry. Yummy. Egg tarts. Wow, ang cute. Maliit na egg tarts. And then we have, what are these? Fish balls? Ooh, fish balls for noodles. Buffalo? Buffalo wings? Or, oh my god, what is that? Ano yan, mahal?
Laman loob mahal.
Ooh, gosh, squid. Juicy chicken meat rolls. We're just gonna try one since madami kaming kakainin for tonight.
Parang ganun yung kinain
Parang
natin
maaki.
kanina.
Oo nga. I want that. Can we eat here? Man, look at this. Yummy. Gusto mo ng kikiam? We're gonna try this one as well. Yeah. May kikiam din kami doon. Meron silang upuan sa loob. Malamig. Bongga. And mura lang, di ba? Liang Pai. So, 200 times something, whatever. Oh, there's a tissue dispenser. So, we have all types of food. We have kikiam, sausage, yung parang kaninang umaga, and then, I like this one. Parang pansit sa Pilipinas.
I'll try the chicken. Kanina sobrang init. Pure chicken pala talaga.
Masarap na siya ngayon. Kanina sobrang ano eh.
Naka-sterilizer yung mga chopsticks dito. Ano pa? Spoon. Daming tao sa labas. Buti na lang may aircon dito. Oh my God!
Sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap! Parang matamis. Parang ano? Sarap ng sabaw. Oh my gosh. It's very tasty. I love it. Even this one. Although ito medyo normal lang, pero mahilig kasi ako sa ganyang pansit. Kamahal. Sarap? Sticky ako, diba? Legit.
Very sweet. One. Mom.
Mahal ka. Talaga?
One grapes.
Malinis ba ito, mahal?
Very sweet. Very beautiful and very beautiful. Sarap.
Oh, wow. You can buy it per pack. So they have like the black one. 多少钱? Liang Pai Ut, 250. 250 Taiwan dollars.
Mura ba ba?
250, I don't know. Divide mo. Time. What are these? Ooh, moly. Pork chop?
Magsisaka pork.
Oh, corn, look at that. Yummy. Oh God. Is it gyoza? I don't know, parang gyoza. Wow. Fresh clam. Ito ata yung gusto ni Lawrence.
Pork jerky.
Yeah. Pero dapat quite sure. Ay, hindi. Squid, shrimp. Wow. Socks, mahal. Rolling fried noodles.
Parang ano to, mahal.
What? Pepper lunch. Running spoons. Soup places. Tama, chicken. May mga
Nanay.
kastanyas. Yeah.
Paborito ni nanay yan.
So, halo-halo dito. May mga ano rin.
Eh, mahal o selfie.
Novelty stores. Look at this one. Blood cake. So, ano siya? Lumpia wrapper. Ang galing, no? Ano kaya ito? There you go.
Naalala ko siya dun sa ano,
Peanut.
sa pinanood natin na nag-tour.
Oopsie. An ice cream. Video, nakita ko to sa video. Sugar-coated horse on a stick. No. Barbecue, chicken. Para siyang hot star, guys. Ganun kalaki, oh. You see that? Damn. Pwede mo dito. Iba-iba mga ano. That's so cute. Pizza. Oh my gosh, watermelon. Look at that. Ooh, fresh. Juice. Video. Yeah. Ooh, bilis naman. Tapos ang dami nilang mga crane, no? Crane na mga fruit. Ay, mahal siya, ah.
Saan ba yun?
Oo, siya. Cute. Oh, that's cute. Hi, oh my God! Oh my God! Hi, baby! Hi! Oh, he's so cute! Han, 可爱哦! Hello, baby! 叫 叫什么名字？
金
金。Hi, Jing. Hi, Jing. Oh, you're so cute. Bye-bye. Okay, we're inside like a normal store. Mga ano to? Mga souvenir store. Here, oh, mahal. Wala ba I love Taiwan dito? Or Taiwan something. Ooh, doggies. Welsh Corgi in the car. This paw. I just need the magnets. So good. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Yes. Too big. Chia seeds.
No, basil seed. Basil seed. Basil seed, yeah.
Kala ko chia.
喝看看啊。
May mga ganyan sa atin.
对，小朋友如果他喜欢喝多的话，就泡开刀。
Hindi, yan yun. Siya yun.
因为小朋友喝牛奶喝多容易会便秘，肠胃。
Sarap soup. Suppose?
Yeah. Parang hot pot style. Laman loob talaga. More of those crab. Yum. Ang laki ng mga dragon fruit. Wow. Hindi, may ano kami. Haba-haba dito. Kanina pa kami lakad pa loob. Nakakalo. Anyway, this one naman parang popsicle siya. Popsicles. Found bras. Okay ba to? And then ang daming lashes. But these are for, how much are these? 300, 500. 200 ba? Tama ba?
Pupunta kami sa ano, sa 5
Sobrang daming lashes. OMG. Oh, puro makeup pala dito. More on beauty stuff. Ooh. What's this? They even have like a Pakistani halal food.
Okay, pag may nakita ka.
May xiaolong pao din dito. Cool. Eating. Oh, guys, they have the Himalayan salt lamp. Yung nasa Facebook. Ito yung sa Facebook. Kain tayo na to.
Ano yan?
Yung sobrang spongy na galaw siya na ano. Sobrang sarap niya.
Baka we can eat cake.
Mahal. Sobrang ano niya. Sobrang sarap daw niya.
Cheesecake, oh.
Siya ba?
一条是100块，
Sure.
对，原味的。我会推荐是起司的。
Cheese.
Houcher ma, original or cheese? Houcher? Ano tingin mo? Cheese?
Kasi same lang naman yung lasa nung original.
Cheese.
Walang palaman lang naman yun.
Ano pa? Yummy! This one is cheesecake na lang, guys. 150 kami. Ako, low-bat na ako. Mahal. Dalawang bat na yung low-bat sa akin. Oh my gosh, we have sweet potato balls. Kamote. Ilan dapat? Looks yummy. Small lang yan, guys. Guys, ang sarap nito. Tikman nyo ito pag pumunta kayo dito, promise. Oh my gosh. Ako kasi I love sweet potato. So, yum. Oy, milk tea, oh. The fried milk. Sa Korea may ganito rin. Sarap siya. Try mo, mahal. Magustuhan mo yan. Ika. Iinitin lang niya. It's really good. Pagkati mo lang. Sarap? Okay. Ito na yung labas ng Rauho Street Market. Pero babalik kami sa loob kasi yung kabilang side di pa namin napuntahan. So we're just gonna go back in. Milk. Sarap, no? Chia, anong seeds to? Whatever? 35. Masarap sobra. Daw. Hi. Right. What is this? Wow. Man, sugar cane. Look at that. Yum. seafood din eh, no? Yum! Ganda na to, guys. Oh, I think I like. No ba? No ba? Hi! Hello! Hello, baby! Hi! Hi! Oh, cutie! Nilagyan ng eyebrows. Puppy! Asus! Asus! Gusto kumain! Naamoy!
Ay, pamahal sa likod mo.
Oh! Hello! Oh, hello! Cutie! Hello! Look at this, so cute! Pencil case siya, guys. Ang daming cute stuff. Gyoza. Yung ilalim lang yung sinog. Oh, sarap. Oh. Yan, yan, yan. Ika. Ika. Okay.
Ano raw?
Itong isya, wait lang lang. Galing. Tsaka yo, siyama. Siya, okay. Okay. We're gonna buy a chicken to go. Hot start talaga siya. Yummy! Oh my gosh, guys! It's a bull terrier! So cute! Siyempre, susunod ako, di ba? Hi, baby! Yummy! I don't know. Oh my. Kitty pie, baby pie. Kitty pie, baby. Hi! Hello! Hi! He's so cute! Oh, han kaayo! Puppy! Hello! Hi, sis! Bye! Bumili ako ng bra, guys. So, this is yung ano, kasi nawala ko yung galing sa Japan. Yung seamless. Ang ganda kasi yung seamless eh. Black, white, and beige. Ayan. Last stop namin is milk tea. Yes. Talagang milk nila no, is ano milk yun?
Full milk.
And then tea.
Talagang milk.
Bawal din sa loob ng train. Kailangan itago.
Kailangan itago?
I think no drinks allowed. Asan ang card mo? The temple, guys. Look at this. It's mga nag-i-incense. Ayan. Good thing the MRT station is right over here, guys. Yun lang yung ano, yung Rauhe. And then, taran! MRT Songshan Station. Why can't you see it? Hold on. There, Songshan Station. We're in the train! And walang tao. Ayoko na. Hindi lang fresh. Musta lang. Sige.
Hi guys. Vlog ako separate kasi pagod na si Say and mag-e-edit siya. Ako gusto kong puntahan yung Yanping Night Market. 1 minute walk lang near sa ano namin. Sa hotel namin. Sa Night Hotel. So, papunta ako ngayon. Guys, ito na yata yung Yanping Night Market. Ano siya? Meh. Wala wents. Ito na pala yun. Akala ko parang ano siya. Parang yung kaninang Rauhe. Anyway, mabalik na ako. Bukas. Ano kami? Taipei Zoo. Shilin Night Market. Eh, hindi pa namin alam. Tignan pa namin.
This is what I always do. Lalo na yung nag-Japan din kami, girl. Oh my gosh. Super sakit. You have to elevate. You have to elevate para lahat ng ano. Basta, yan. Nagdi-jiggle na cake. There, we're gonna taste it. And then we have the super oily chicken.